Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Dom. Today I've got the absolute pleasure of showing you around this lovely 2021 21 plate Mini Cooper Countryman. Now this is the Countryman Cooper Sport. Comes very well specified. We've got massive amount of specification on this car as well. So it's a full John Cooper Works body kitted car. So looking round it, you get the nice aggressive sporty styling. We're finished in one of the best colours, Moonstone Grey Metallic, so you get the lovely metallic fleck in the paintwork. Looks fantastic when the sun hits it. Lots of gloss black detailing all throughout the vehicle, so round your headlamp surrounds, the front grille, even the Mini badging is in black as well. John Cooper Works then gives you this lovely aggressive front splitter, nice aggressive air intakes on the sides. Coming through to the alloys, we're riding on these 19-inch 5 twin-spoke alloys. John Cooper Works then, again, diamond turned outer edge. We've got the gloss black detailing on those. More gloss black all throughout the vehicle. Aluminium roof bars, all four, to show that this is a four-wheel drive car. When you look at the engine, it's a 1.5 four-wheel drive, automatic. Drive very well, these things. More black detailing on your grab handle, on the Cooper, on the Countryman badging, and even on your lower diffuser. Looking through to the boot, obviously being the biggest car in the Mini range, you get quite a bit of luggage space. Split folding rear seats, parcel shelf, added storage just down there with your tyre inflation kit. Condition wise, lovely car. This is just a one owner car from new, supplied with both keys, lovely service history, no signs of any dents, dings, bumper corner scuffs. You can tell it's truly been cherished by the previous owners. Now, popping our heads inside, John Cooper Works follows through. So first of all, we'll start at the kick plates. You get those lovely John Cooper Works with a checkered flag. Seats, these lovely supportive John Cooper Works bucket seats. You've got the badging in the headrest there, nice supportive bolsters, nice supportive seat base, nice pattern down the centre as well. Now, looking through then quickly to the rears, I'd probably say those have never been sat in. They're in very nice order. Comfortable seating for three seat belts, Isofix in the bottom for your child seats. Now, if we jump inside, let's go through some of the specification on this car. So get out of this awful wind. But then once you're inside, you're greeted with this lovely leather multifunction steering wheel. On there is your cruise control, your speed limiter, your voice command, volume and media controls. Automatic wipers and automatic lights are on the stalk, and the little switch gear there. As we're doing the video today, low mileage car, it's only covered 20,735 miles. Absolutely nothing to one of these. John Cooper Works styling all throughout the car. Lovely red detailing all throughout. Nice big screen in the centre. Now this is all controlled via the centre scroll wheel. So on there you've got your shortcut buttons for your navigation, media, communications, maps. That's all found through there. But if I press through to menu, that will bring me through to the main screen. So you've got your media and radio, obviously full DAB radio, communications. Clicking back through satellite navigation, which is very responsive, very easy to use. My Mini information, Mini connected services and notifications as well. Very responsive system, very easy to navigate and very easy to use. Flicking through the whole screen is very easy. Pressing through then, that will expand everything, and then you can go in depth, change all the settings and the bits and bobs. Dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have a different climate to the driver. Heated front seats, heated front screen, fantastic for those cold winter mornings. Drive select, so we've got green, we've got mid, which is your normal, and then you've got sport. Traction control, auto stop start, and then you've got your starter button there as well. Gearbox is an 8-speed auto, so very smooth through the gear changes. You've got your sport and your manual mode as well. Back into park there. Centre armrest, obviously a bit of storage in there. Armrest itself is fully adjustable. You've got a bit of storage within there. But the car itself doesn't smell like it's been smoked in, doesn't smell of any sort of pets. Obviously, being such a newer car with nice low mileage, if you're after a PCP on these vehicles, we can get some very competitive monthly prices. Even higher purchase, we've got some fantastic finance options. If you've got a Part X, we just need a few details on your car, registration, mileage, just a bit of info on condition and service history, and we can happily give you a price over email or the phone. So our phone number is 01942 231123, or you can email us at sales@alphamotors.co.uk. Thanks for watching.